Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the gadget frame and core components. Gather iron, redstone, TNT, piston, and obsidian for protection. Once you have parts, lay out a 5x5 base and a separate 10+ block safety perimeter so explosions won't ruin nearby builds. Begin building the frame and install the redstone timer and trigger circuit. Make sure the piston alignment and TNT placement match the schematic. This first step establishes reliable detonation mechanics and basic containment to control blast direction and minimize collateral damage. Next, wire the timer, lever, and a pressure plate failsafe. Use repeaters to fine-tune delay and repeatability. Once wired, build an obsidian shield on the side you want to protect and shape a directional launch chamber opposite the shield. Test the mechanism with a single TNT to verify timing and containment. Observe the blast path and measure delay consistency. If the timing is off, adjust repeaters and piston timing until the TNT chain detonates reliably. Make sure power sources are secure and protected from accidental activation. For final deployment, scale TNT charges one step at a time and reinforce redstone lines with non-flammable insulation blocks like stone. Once scaled, set up a remote activation method, an armor stand with a button or a long redstone line, and trigger from a safe distance. If things go wrong, inspect for stray power sources or block updates causing premature detonation. Isolate the circuit, remove TNT, and rewire the timer and fail-safes before retesting. Remember to restore terrain and loot responsibly after use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.